What's up, internet people? Got a video for you today. It's was shot a while back. It was about my first time welding. An epic fail, but I learned some stuff. Next video should be on my trip to Goose Bay, heading in there, maybe do a little vlog. If not, it'll just be like an acceleration video or whatever I feel like uploading. That's how this works. Doing a giveaway at 1,000 subs. Make sure that you're subscribed to help us reach that goal quicker. It'll be a camera or, I don't know, something, $200 or $300. And go check out my Instagram, kvdanger.youtube. Interesting stuff there, cool photos and updates. See you in the video. Hey guys, I've spotted a welder and I don't know what I'm doing. Don't do what I'm doing at home. Okay, don't have a proper welding jacket. Don't have a jacket at all. Proper gloves. But what came with this Mastercraft welder is a half-assed mask, which will do the job, I guess. Maybe. Alright, the glasses popped in. Can't see shit. Alright, the handle. This is without reading instructions, so bear with me. Alright. Let's open this. Alright, so let's put the wire on. Now, I did do some research on welding. I mean, you should do research on welding anyways, make sure that you're not going to do anything too wrong, or just get a basic idea for it. I mean, the internet is a great place to do that. And actually, that's probably why you're here, is to watch me screw up so that you don't do what I do. This part of the sweater. That's good. Alright. Okay. Take the wire. Put that off. Okay, there you go. So now what you're going to want to do, there's a mechanism here. You want to feed it through that. Literally don't know what I'm doing here. Plug it in and spool it through. Crank the wire feed up. Straighten this out a little bit. And go until you get some coming at the end. Leave a good ½ inch there to start with. So the first piece I'm going to not be welding, but try to weld. I'm going to put these two in the vise. I'm going to attach this to this.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
So first I'm going to try and tack it, and then I'll go right around. First we're going to use the bench grinder. Try all the rustings off and I want to make sure your surfaces are good. Not that I know what I'm doing, obviously don't. We'll put this in the vise. We're basically ready to start welding. This is your negative terminal. You need to attach that to the vise, to the metal table, or to the pieces of metal. Two for the wire speed, and one for the voltage, just to see what happens. Alright, so we're going to go 2 for the voltage, a bit more on the wire speed.
I've come to talk with you again.
I'm going to give it one more go in that spot. I am a firm believer that these two pieces of metal are now one piece of metal. It is the ugliest weld job that I have ever seen, but it's a thing. Next, I'm going to try and weld these two pieces here together. This is thicker metal, so I'll put it on 2. Pitiful weld. That's it. You gotta have patience when you're learning something new, because you're gonna suck at it. So what I changed, I turned up the wire speed a bit. I had it on number 2 because this is thick metal, and I took my time with it. And really slow, let that metal really settle in there, melt. Now I must say that is looking a lot better than the first shit that I did. Alright, well I think that's okay. Touch it up a little bit. This can help. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. It's not terrible. Once again, I think with a bit of practice, we'll be alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is not a how to weld video. This is just my first time welding, my experience with it. It went well. Of course, it was an epic fail at the beginning, and still pretty much is. I'll keep practicing and see what I can do. It's a good entry-level welder. I paid 260 Canadian for it. Happy with it so far. Anyways, if you like my videos, you know what to do. You know the drill. You guys, oh wait, no. Follow me on Instagram, kbdanger.youtube. Updates and cool pictures are all gonna be there. You guys, you have a good day.